It's Sunday, February 12th, Super Bowl Sunday. And this is an update on the building renovations and exhibit installations going on in the Route 66 Spirit of America Museum, opening in Stroud, Oklahoma on March 31st. The reception area is filled with things that are going to be on the walls, but some of these items are already where they will be displayed on the reception desk itself. Antique phone booth ready for people to go in and come out being in touch with their inner superhero. Route 66 memorabilia, the future museum preview room, gift shop and library where Walter Cronkite is on display, as well as Our America, photographic history by Ken Burns, tribute to America's love of the road, including our desire to go fast, but also our desire to see what's around the next corner. Space and World War II tributes. The NASA exhibit is taking shape, beginning to get plexiglass in place to protect the display items. Books will be displayed, and To Boldly Go, How Nichelle Nichols and Star Trek Helped Advance Civil Rights will be for sale. Steve McQueen tribute to rejecting authority and doing what you know needs to be done, including in the World War II drama, The Great Escape. Easy Rider tribute to discovering the truth about America. Planet of the Apes, which tells the cautionary story of what we could do if we're not careful. Star Wars, with a chance to ask yourself which side of the Force you're going to go on. The Star Trek exhibit, which a number of months from now will include a 3-foot-long Starship Enterprise, but right now has this particular version. Going to look great with the lights turned off. Private living space includes this kitchen dinette area, because I will be living behind the store. Have to remember that the office of Clark Kent at the Daily Planet is slowly taking shape, with the desk expected to be delivered on the 17th. That's the window he might have flown in or flown out of. We have storage space. We have handicap accessible bathroom. We have the Tell Your Story room with Batman and Wonder Woman, and eventually Superman will be here. We have a tribute to Zack Snyder's Justice League with a facsimile signed script, officially licensed by the studio. We have real signatures on the Music Man Broadway show, as well as Amelie, musical version of the French film. Storytelling is key to this museum. And the Wonder Woman Theater is going to be where we talk about stories, both real and fictional. Living quarters in the back continues. There will even be a laundry space built into the master bath. Lots more work to do, but a lot has been accomplished. And kudos to Infinity Studio for creating these life-size, hyper-realistic busts of Ben Affleck's Batman, Gal Gadot's Wonder Woman, and Henry Cavill's Superman. Thanks for your interest. Have a great day.